Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here with your Mystery Box Monday unboxing of the kitchen box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you were able to tune in on Monday when we went live and we went over all of the clues. That way you can actually see how many of the clues you got right. So guys, for those of you who are not familiar with how this works, every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, I go live on both Facebook and on YouTube with a mystery box. Every week, the box is a different theme, a different size, different contents, different cost, and different retail value. I then give at least 10 clues, sometimes more, depending on how I'm feeling and how the crowd is interacting. And you get to try to guess what's in the box. I do not tell you if your guesses are right or wrong, and I don't reveal what's in the box until Friday. I do a pre-recorded video that I show on Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you everything that's in the box. That way, if you wanted to buy the box, but then you were just a little leery or wasn't sure as to whether or not that box was for you or not, you get to see what was in the box, the quality of the items, and then hopefully you'll come back the next Monday and buy a box. On Monday, the first person who sends their money, either Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or Facebook Pay, gets the box. And if you don't live local to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, you will have to pay shipping for the box. So let's jump right into it and let's go over our clues and unbox everything that was in the kitchen box for the Mystery Box Monday. So it was in a medium flat rate priority mailbox. I love these boxes because they have a lot of room in them and I'm able to cram a lot of stuff in them. Again, this was the kitchen box, and this kitchen box contained 15 items, and it was valued at $75, meaning if you were to buy this box at like Walmart or Dollar General somewhere, you'd pay about $75 for this box. But if you went to one of the higher end big box stores such as CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, then you'd probably pay closer to $95 or $100 for this box. The box is selling for $35, so if someone bought the box, they paid $35 for the box, so you can see right there, they got an amazing value. And if they are out of town, the shipping on the box is $12.50. So let's jump right into this. So the first item out of the box is a pack of Finish dishwashing tabs, and this is an 18 count. And the clue for this was there's something in here. Let me find the exact clue. There's something in here you use to clean your dishes. Okay. I'm going to put my clues over here. Next, out of the box is an electric wine opener. An electric wine opener. And the clue for this, there were actually two clues for this. Something that's electric and something you use when you're drinking wine. This is really neat, guys. And then the next thing that comes out of the box, turn the box that way so it doesn't fall over, is a 3-piece set. It's the plates, the napkins, the dinner napkins, and the dessert napkins. And this is a 3-piece matching set. So this goes with the clue. I said there's a 3-piece set, a 3-piece matching set. And then this clue, there's a clue specifically for the plates. It says there's something round with a print on it. So it is like a cross print on all 3 pieces. Then the next thing, there's actually 2. This goes with the clue. I said there are 2 things in here that you spread out. And here are 2 tablecloths. One is both of them are rectangle actually. And they're just different prints. So you can use these indoors or outdoors. Great for picnics, picnic tables. The other thing, I said there's 2 different things in here that you spread. So here are the other 2 items that are in here that you spread. So here is some chocolate frosting, and then here's some vanilla frosting. So both of these are things that you spread. So those is what you spread is you spread out the tablecloth and you spread out the icing. The next thing is a 4-pack of tumblers. There's 4 tumblers. They're all the same size. And I don't think this went with a clue. Let's see. Nope, there wasn't a clue for this. Okay, the next thing, there's a couple of things. They're all bunched up in this one thing. So then there was this, and this is chocolate chip cookie mix, and this went with the clue. There is something that you put in the oven that kids like to eat. So kids like to eat cookie dough and they like to eat cookies. And then there is a pack of blueberry muffins, and this went with the clue. There's something for breakfast or dessert. So you can have these muffins for breakfast or you can have them for dessert. This is a travel mug that says, make some coffee and own the day. And this goes with the clue. There is a travel item in the box, but it's something that you usually keep in the kitchen. So put that here. And then here is a baking loaf pan, and this goes with the clue. Something you use when baking. Okay, and the last thing that's in the box is this heart sign that says home is where mom is, and that goes with the clue. I said there was something in the box in the shape of a heart. So guys, this is everything that was in the box. I hope that you guys got a lot of guesses. Some of the clues were a little difficult, but I'm hoping that you guys got at least 5 or 6 of the guesses right. Got 5 or 6 of the clues right. So if this is your first time joining us for a mystery box unboxing, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you come back Monday and play along with us. Even if you don't plan to purchase, still come on and just interact with us and just have a good time. But guys, I really thank you so much for tuning in, and until the next time, keep on saving.